Even now, God is shaping you for your future. Before your breakthrough arrives, before the doors you've prayed for open, your heart is being strengthened, your faith is being refined, and your character is being built. What feels like waiting isn't wasted, it's preparation. God doesn't hurry His work, and He doesn't skip what's necessary for your growth. Prepare not just your dreams, but your heart. When you feel unseen or forgotten, remember. He sees every tear, every effort, every prayer buried deep inside you, and He is working all things together for what lies ahead. You may not see the end yet, but the hand that began this good work in you will bring it to completion in His perfect time. So take courage. Where you once felt weak, strength is rising within you. Where your faith flickered, hope is being renewed. Where you felt unready, you are being equipped. Your preparation is not punishment, it's divine positioning. God is not just waiting for the right moment. He is waiting for you to be ready to walk into it with peace, confidence, and love. Trust the process, cling to His presence, and keep stepping forward in faith. You are being prepared for more than success. You are being shaped for purpose. And when the moment comes, you won't just survive it, you will shine through it. Message 1. God is restoring what was broken. Sometimes God must bring you to a still place so He can restore what has been shattered in your life. When things fall apart, it can feel like loss. Yet these moments are where God begins the tender work of rebuilding not only what was broken, but making it stronger than before. You may be weary from the battles you've fought, but every struggle has polished you. Every tear has deepened your compassion. Every delay has stretched your trust. God is knitting beauty from your pain, not erasing the struggle, but redeeming it. So when life feels like a broken mess, don't lose heart. God is gathering all the fragments, your hopes, your dreams, your heartaches, and weaving them into something far greater than you could ever reassemble on your own. This is the work of the divine, turning loss into legacy, sorrow into strength, and trials into triumph. Hold on to hope. God isn't finished with you yet. He is restoring you beyond what you even imagined. Message 2. God is with you in the quiet moments. You may think God only speaks in the thunder or the miracle, but often He whispers in the quiet moments when your heart is still. While the world rushes and distracts, God calls you to come apart with Him, to listen with your heart, and to hear His voice more clearly than the noise around you. In the silence, He speaks peace to your tired soul. In the unseen moments of prayer, He builds your courage. In every ordinary morning and every ordinary task, He multiplies grace for you to walk through the day with confidence. You are not waiting alone. God walks with you every inch of the way. In your doubts, He offers assurance. In your confusion, He offers clarity. In your fear, He offers courage. Remember that the very breath you take is a gift from Him. And while it may feel like your life is ordinary, God is using these quiet chapters to prepare you for extraordinary things. In the stillness, you are becoming rooted in love, grounded in faith, and ready for the next season. Trust God's presence even when you don't feel it, because He is with you always. Amen. Subscribe for more videos.